Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Salesforce Winter 24 release notes. We have the overview deck that has just came out from Salesforce. We're looking at the mobile release note specifically. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I'm putting out new Salesforce content each week, and let's go ahead and jump into this thing. All right, looking at the first slide here, we have prominent disclosures for Android. This is a Google mandate that all device permissions must have a preceding prominent disclosure describing what the permission is used for. On the right here, you can see what it's going to look like, saying permission for background location. This app accesses your location even while the app is not in use to enable campaign events, notifications, or messages when you enter or exit a specific location. I think this is a great update. Obviously, it's being mandated by Google, but transparency on what our data is being used for is always helpful in today's world. The next update we have here is default URL management. Open any URL without pre-configuration. So the customer need is mobile publishers allow customers to link to numerous external URLs from within the application. But today a customer needs to individually call out every URL they want to make to link. This does not scale and make setup tedious. So the solution was they've added a new section to setup, which will allow you to set a method for default URL handling, which means that most links will now handle them according to the default. This minimizes having to re-enter all these different URLs. As you can see on the right here, we have a couple screenshots of what it's going to look like. So as an open in and out browser, this link will open in an internal shared cookie browser. This looks like a great update as well. Anytime you can save from having to enter multiple URLs in and make it as simple as possible will help us admins save time on the setup. Next, we have the actions bar component is now generally available. So configure, edit, and custom quick actions. So prior to summer 23, there was no component in LWR for organizations to leverage platform actions. This feature provides edit standard actions and also extends support for create, update quick actions in addition to headless LWC quick actions. So you can see the solution. Now you can configure edit standard action on all custom and most standard objects using the dynamic action bar. As you can see on the right side, they have that displayed for us. So this is going to be a low code, no code option to expose users to centric actions. The next update we have here is mobile publisher for SFS mobile app is generally available, no code field service mobile tab configuration. Organizations often need to customize the tab set and screen navigation of the field service mobile application for their specific use case. So now using clicks, not code, and admin can change the set of tabs that the Salesforce mobile user will see when they log into the SSF mobile app. Tabs can be renamed, reordered, and navigate to either field service screens or custom LWC screens. So the use cases make common actions more discoverable, optimize the mobile experience, and increase field technician efficiency. It's great to see this becoming generally available. I know many people have been wanting to do this in their org. And the next update we have here is mobile offline starter kit is generally available. Add LWC and landing page configuration. The Salesforce mobile offline app in GA and Pro Code solution, as such developers need an easier way to configure their LWC pages. So the solution was to create the offline app starter kit, which is a GitHub repository that enables developers to configure and deploy their LWC experiences for the offline app. The use case here is enable mobile developers to be able to build, configure, and deploy LWC quick actions for their offline app experiences out of the box. If you're a developer, this is probably a great update for you, being able to do this, and it's generally available. And the next update we have here is mobile offline onboarding wizard guides developers through the offline app configuration. So this ties in directly with the update we just spoke about becoming generally available. So the Salesforce mobile offline app in GA and a Pro Code solution as such, developers need to make the process of configuring LWCs more intuitive for first-time users. So it looks like you're able to download the Salesforce Mobile Visual Studio Code extension from VS Code Marketplace, through which developers can access our onboarding wizarding tool that pairs with the offline starter kit. This will allow them to go through the end-to-end flow from briefcase, landing page, and LWC setup. This is another great tool for new developers and even seasoned developers if you're needing help with doing some configuration. The next update we have here is Signature Capture LWC plus Sample, and we even have a little video playing here for us. And it says users across field service, Health Cloud, Salesforce app, and more want to collect signatures through their LWC. So the solution developers must download the LWC contents from our open source LWC mobile sample repository on GitHub, then take the contents of the LWC component and integrate its contents into the app flow. Instructions are provided in the repository. So you complete actions such as verifying work, deliver your payment completed, update patient records, sign service records via contactless signature. So this is a great update. I'm sure many people will be implementing this once it is available in Salesforce. And that right there is the last update for the Winter 24 release as far as mobile is concerned. If you like this video, please give it a like. I really appreciate it. I'm going to put out more videos for the Winter 24 release, so be on the lookout for that. And the links are in the description. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video, and I will see you in the next one.